In the last session, we have seen what is body tag, what are element tags. In this session, we are going to see some of the element tags. One of the most important element tag is anchor tag. Anchor tag is used for navigating from one page to another page or from one website to another website. What is navigating? Navigating is nothing but moving from one place to another place. In case of websites, we will move from one page to another page or from one website to another website. In other sense, from one screen to other screen. Navigating or changing of screens can be done using anchor tag in our HTML. So the syntax is as follows. The anchor tag starts with a letter A and a closing A inside the angular brackets, and then we can mention any text that we want to create and we can mention it, and then we'll use an attribute called here by reference. This attribute will help us to navigate to whatever the web page we want to navigate. So let us see it practically. Just open a Visual Studio, make sure some folder is open and create a HTML file. I am creating index.html file. Now we will give the basic structure HTML and then head, inside head title, and then you can give any title. I give it anchor, and then the next important tag is body tag. Inside body tag I'll give a h1 for now, and this h1 is anchor. Now I will give a anchor tag. I will provide any name, like here I'll provide navigate to login page. Here I'll create a new file again. I'll name it login.html. Login.html. Inside this I'll create a HTML file again. I'll create all the basic structure like head,
I'll change the title to login
title. I'll change the
and
title
I'll add a
to
body
login,
tag.
and I'll add a body
Inside
tag.
this body tag, I'll add a h1
Inside this body
saying
tag
login.
I'll add a h1
Now,
saying
inside
login.
anchor tag navigation,
Now
I'll provide a attribute
inside anchor
href,
tag navigation
which means
I'll
here
provide a
by
attribute
reference.
href,
Href in the
which
sense it is
means
here by reference.
here by
We'll just
reference.
assign a value.
Href in the
Here
sense
I'll
it is here
assign
by reference. We'll just assign a
login.html.
value. Here I'll assign
So on starting this website,
login.html. So on starting this website, we'll type the command start index.html to start it. This is nothing but the h1 tag which we provided into the anchor, and this is the heading that we provided for the anchor, and then this is to navigate. whatever the anchor tag we provided. If you see this was already had some underline, and also the text is blue in color. So it has some text decoration by default, and on hovering, if I hover on here, it is not changing into pointer. But if I hover on the anchor tag, it changes into pointer. Whatever the mouse changing is called as pointer. And on clicking here, it is navigating to my login.html, where I provided tab as login and also h1 as login page. Okay, now we have seen how to do internal navigation using HTML files and anchor tag. Now we can also see how to do external navigation using anchor tag. To do external navigation, first open your browser and then open a new tab. You can open any website. For now, I will open Batman, and I'll go to Batman Wikipedia. I'll copy this website and I'll provide it in another anchor tag, naming it Batman, and I'll provide a href. Inside this href, provide the link that you have been copied. After successfully copying and pasting the link inside the href, go to your website, reload it, click on back tab. Here you'll get a Batman site to navigate login page. Click on Batman. Your external website is opened. This is the tab which we opened website manually, and this is the tab which we opened through our HTML page. So this is how we will do internal